Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include front fog lights, a tachometer, an outside temperature display, heated seats, skid plates, a trailer hitch, and power windows. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.